you need some assistance with any written assignments in class this semester and you can't make it to campus, one great option that we offer students is NetTutor. In order to access NetTutor, simply log into our class on Canvas and look on the left-hand side of our course homepage, and you will see a link to NetTutor. Simply click on it to get started. You will then be directed to the NetTutor homepage. Scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom where you'll see Writing and Paper Center. Click on that link and it will give you a few options. You can meet with a live tutor online in real time, or if you don't have time and simply want to have someone look over your paper, you can click on Drop Off a Paper, which is a popular option. Simply provide the information it's asking, including a description, and then click Next. Select at least 2 areas that you would like feedback on for your paper. For example, if you need some help with grammar, click that. If you need some help with perhaps organization, word choice, whatever, click any 2 options. Then select the citation style. For the purposes of our paper, we are going to be using MLA style. And then the paper type, which is a research paper. Indicate according to the assignment handout how many pages, and then click Next. Then you can upload your paper here by clicking on Choose a File, and then once you've done that, your drop off your paper option will be here, and then they usually get back to you within, I believe, 48 hours. So that's a great option to use if you're not able to come to campus and use our Writing Center in person.